Alright, I'm back. You won't fucking believe what I'm doing. Well, I was going to have a barbecue on my own. The missus has pissed off out to one of her mates' birthday parties. So, I didn't want to go. I thought, fuck you, I'm stopping in. I'm fucking having my own fucking do, mate. So, would you like to have a look? Well, I'll tell you what this tale is. Because I'm getting into bushcraft. Yeah. I'll have a gas barbecue, right? The fuckers ran out of gas. And I've got 2 chicken breasts and a fillet steak to cook. That's what she brought me back from work. Fucking hell. Got me chicken marinating in some fucking good stuff. Show you. First things first. Bushcraft in my back garden. Got the music on. You can hear it clicking and popping. Go and have a look at this. Is there a proper setup or what? See if you can fuck it. I've just dropped her off. I'm having a fucking tinny. So cheers. And I bet you never guess how I lit it. I rubbed 2 sticks together. Yeah. But it didn't work. I got you there, didn't I? I got you there. But I did try. Didn't have any flint or out like that, so I can't do any of that shite. I just thought, shaved a bit off with me cheapo Whitby knife. It's a good knife, made in Whitby. But shaved a bit off. I've got some real good wood. That wood on there is willow. There was a big dead willow tree last year, and I logged it all up. So that stuff is well matured. And the fuck was I on about there? It's only my first fucking can. I've only had 2 swigs. Yeah. Tried rubbing 2 sticks together like a silly twat. Didn't work. So I don't have any flint, so I can't use that. But I shaved a bit off, lit it, got a nice tinder ball going, put some small bits of kindling in, and it's quite sheltered, this garden, there's no wind, so I cranked the old compressor up, give it a gust of wind or 2. Fucking hell, it's like a fucking forge when you do that. But yeah. Right, tune you in when it's food time. See ya. Hey up, bushing lads and pipe smoking lasses. How are you doing? Well, Saturday night. There you have it. Ready to put some food on. This is going to be probably a 3-parter, so keep an eye out for a few more vids on Gaz's Saturday night in, messing about in the garden. It's going to be good. just waiting for the fire to just get to cinders, you know, like get to red. And then the good stuff's going on. Oh yes. And this stuff is going down a treat. It is, yes. Well, between me and you, I think next door neighbours are in the garden. They'll probably be thinking, is he fucking on something? Fuck off. Well, I'm enjoying myself, alright. I hope you can hear me over that music. Well, I'll bring you back in a minute. See ya.